room ideas. Smart furniture and space-saving design for 2025. As urban living continues to grow denser and more expensive, homeowners and designers alike are becoming increasingly creative in finding ways to make the most of limited square footage. In 2025, one of the most exciting and innovative home design trends is the use of hidden rooms, smart furniture, and space-saving designs to transform small spaces into functional, stylish, and personalized living environments. These hidden features not only offer practicality but also bring a sense of luxury, surprise, and playfulness to modern homes. Are no longer just the stuff of spy movies or mystery novels. In today's design world, they serve very real purposes, from home offices and reading nooks to panic rooms, play areas, or even compact guest bedrooms. A well-designed hidden room can provide privacy without taking up valuable visual space. For example, a pivoting bookshelf that leads into a cozy work-from-home space adds a layer of mystery while maintaining the clean lines of a minimalist living room. Likewise, a sliding wall panel can reveal a compact laundry room or walk-in pantry, preserving the uncluttered feel of an open-floor piece. These ideas are especially valuable in small apartments or houses, where traditional walls would make a space feel cramped. To complement these secret areas, smart furniture has evolved to become more multifunctional, compact, and aesthetically pleasing. The furniture of 2025 is designed not just to look good, but to work smarter. Wall beds, Murphy beds, are being reinvented to include shelving units, desks, or sofas, allowing one room to serve multiple functions throughout the day. A bedroom at night can quickly become a productive workspace during the day without sacrificing comfort or style. Fold-out tables, extendable benches, and stackable stools make entertaining guests in small areas possible and comfortable. Many pieces now include built-in charging stations, lighting, and even voice-controlled mechanisms that adapt to your needs with just a simple command. Equally important is how these smart solutions contribute to space-saving design. Vertical space is now a designer's best friend. Homeowners are encouraged to build upward with floor-to-ceiling storage, hanging planters, floating shelves, and tall wardrobes that maximize storage while maintaining a sleek look. Hidden drawers, under staircases, storage ottomans, and foldable chairs stored inside closets are now standard in modern interiors. Even the smallest corners of the home can be turned into valuable space with the right planning, like a corner reading nook hidden behind a curtain or a pull-out spice rack hidden between appliances. Materials and finishes in 2025 also reflect a shift toward eco-conscious design. Many hidden rooms and smart furniture pieces are crafted from sustainable wood, bamboo, recycled metal, or biodegradable fabrics. These choices not only reduce environmental impact, but also bring a warm, natural feel into small spaces. The integration of nature-inspired elements, such as earthy tones, natural light, indoor plants, and organic textures, makes even the most compact space feel open and welcoming. What makes this trend truly exciting is the potential for personalization. Hidden rooms and smart furniture can be custom designed to reflect the lifestyle of each homeowner. Whether you need a place to practice music, an art studio that tucks away behind folding doors, or a hidden play area for kids, these solutions offer flexibility and freedom. Technology plays a big role too. Automated systems can help transform a living room into a home theater at the touch of a button, or open and close hidden compartments for added convenience and security. In summary, the trend of hidden room ideas, smart furniture, and space-saving design in 2025 is about blending innovation with It's about creating homes that are not just beautiful, but also intelligent, functional, and deeply attuned to the way we live today. thoughtful design, and clever use of space, even the smallest home can feel expansive, efficient, and uniquely yours.